Hi everyone, today I'm going to review Stencil. So Get Stencil is a on-cloud application that helps you make beautiful social media graphic on the fly. And if you're not much of a graphic artist, this would really help because there's a lot of templates. You can make thumbnail for your YouTube videos. I've done that and I've used Stencil. Let's get started. So once I log in, over here's my account, and you could import your own font. You could import your images, and there's also some extra here where you could install these extensions. As you look to your left, you see the navigation. It's very simple. It's very straightforward, and you can see all the photos that you can use. Everything's included in here, and you could search over here royal free photos for about 4 million. Like, let's check animal, for example, and see, come up with all these beautiful photos. And you also have an icon you could choose, like for, holidays, Halloween. Really cute. And then you have your template. I love this part. Alter it, customize it, and everything. And I'll show you a little demo. And then you have quotes here that you could use, for social media. Everybody loves quotes. And you have your own upload. And here I've imported my pictures to make thumbnails for my video. As you can see, that's awful, the hair. And you could bring in your logo. And you also have all your saved image over here. See, all my thumbnails are created. So I just basically duplicate the same template over and over and just add in new pictures. So it's very time saving. Go into a template and let's see. We can choose, I like animals. So you just simply click and drag until here. And you could, once you click on it, you see the handlebar, right? You hit shift or command if you're on a Mac, and you could expand or make it smaller and larger. And you could even go here and change it to black and white, change it to different colors, the transparency. This is great. This is kind of like Photoshop without the extra work, without, it's very intuitive. With Photoshop, you have to do everything manually. It's like a blank canvas. And if you click on here, you can increase your text, make it smaller, add drop shadow, change the color. And right here, it's your color picker. You could change, moving it up or down, you can get different colors. So there we go, like green, and you could even have it outline, background color, move back, move front. So move back and front is if you have different layers, you want to put this on top, or you want to move it back, want to hide it, move it forward. And this is very time saving, the duplications. If you want to use the same font, you don't want to go through all that again, the underline, and you could simply just duplicate. And if you want to delete, just click on it and hit your delete, and it's simply gone. So if you want to use your own photo, I can pick this one. Let's say put that in. And I could adjust it. Resizable image, see? So I could now resize it. I could place it over here. And if you made a mistake, you can just simply undo over here. And you could add text, more text here. You create a new image over here. There's delete, what you could do with this. And down here, you could preview, or you could share. You could share through Facebook, or you could share through email. You can get the link and share it. So you have to give it a moment. It's going to copy over the link. And saving, you could save it as collection, save it as template. So you can see saving. It's pretty quick. And you could see that if I chose Facebook, this is the recommended size that it's going to save. And I could download it with all these formats that I could download. I could rename it to tests. So JPEG, PNG, if you use it for the web or social media, I like PNG. And then this is 300 DPI. This is more for people who would like to print. So if you're just going to put it on the web, I would not recommend choosing that. And this mentioned that I would choose. And there you go. Let's go look at the pricing. So for the pricing, if you simply just want to try it, I mean, you get save 10 image a month, limit, photos, icons, 50, or you can try the $9, which is like not that much, and you get much more for it. And unlimited, $30 more, you get everything. If you're a person that has the need to make social media and you're posting a lot, I think just go with this. But if you want to just give it a try just to see, your comfort level in it, and to me, it's very easy and intuitive. Check out the features here. Super high resolution. You can save to your favorite, royalty free. And then it has all these like default different size that you can get, and all these icons that you could choose from and upload, and you could store it right in there, so you could just reuse it, as I do with my thumbnail. It's a very quick way to create like a nice thumbnail for your YouTube channel. And you have different browsers extension that you could add on, sharing, live preview, color picker. Let me know what you think of this. I sure love it, and it sure saves me a lot of time. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.